Hello there, crafty friends. We are so excited for a new year of crafting, and we have a super exciting announcement for you where you can get crafty and win some amazing prizes. Now that we've entered a new year, it's time for a fresh start. We know that many of you are clearing out your craft rooms, renovating your living spaces, and simply decluttering or reorganizing your craft supplies. Our creatively inspired contest series is back in 2021 to continue inspiring you to see where your creativity takes you. This time we want to see where you create all of your fabulous crafting projects for our simply organized craft room makeover contest. Whether you have your own designated craft room or you change your crafting space up every week, this contest is for you. We want to know your best organizational hacks for storing your crafting supplies and making do with whatever space you have. No matter what the size of your craft space is, we want to see the real deal. Submit a picture or video tour showing us your crafty space and let us know how you plan to stay organized this year. We will be choosing 9 winners to win over $350 in prizes. Are you up for the challenge? Head on over to blog.altenew.com or click on the link in the description of this video to enter our competition. Hurry, we are only accepting entries until February 7th, 2021. We are so excited to get a sneak peek into your crafty spaces.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!